Hey everyone, Kevin here. What I've got here are the Bose QuietComfort 35 version 2, arguably the most popular noise cancellation headphones on the market. There are of course alternatives, but I think it's safe to say that Bose are the most popular options. You see these in every airport in the world. Now, as you can see here, these were included with the Huawei P20. You had to send away with them, P20 and P20 Pro. It was a promotion that was running for around a month, and quite frankly, it was probably one of the better deals I've ever seen offered with a smartphone. So I'm sure you guys are aware of what these headphones can do. This version did add a few new features. Google Assistant is one of them. And they've got fantastic reviews. 20 hours battery life. You can see there voice prompts. Google Assistant, clear calls, volume optimized EQ, acoustic noise cancelling. Very, very good headphones. Now, this video isn't about talking about what this can do and what it can't do. What I want to do is just quickly show you what's in the box. So let's do that now. So as you can see here, this was just a wraparound around the main box. So let's look at the main box. Made for iPod, iPhone, iPad, Google Assistant built in. It's obviously built for Android as well. Bluetooth symbol there. Premium sound, wire-free, world-class noise cancellation, noise rejecting mic array for clear calls, unlock more features with the Bose Connect app. Up to 20 hours per charge, 40 hours if you choose to do it wired. Okay, let's get this bad boy open. Presentation is awesome, as you would expect. You've got instructions here to go to the app stores for Android and iOS. Wow, look at that. So put that to the side just for a second, see what else is in here. Nothing, everything seems to be inside this case. So just talking about the case, pretty good actually. This is, yeah, pretty gorgeous case as far as headphones go. So let's look at these. Wow. Wow. So we've got a 3.5mm headphone cable. I'm not sure what's in there, I'll check that in a second. And then we've got the headphones itself. And you can see they're folded up here. I'll bring that camera up a little bit. You guys can see it a little bit better. So yeah, these things are quality. You can just see like the cushioning here at the top. So here you can see plus, minus, and there's like an enter button. So you'll be able to control volume. I imagine you can skip tracks there as well. You've got a USB micro B connection cable there. So I assume that's what this is. So just quickly see if we can open that. So it's just a very, very small charging cable. But with this being micro B, it is of course, yep, it does of course work with other micro B cables, which I'm sure you've got many of in the house. You've got your 3.5mm headphone jack there if you want to use them wired. So just to round off the ports and buttons at the bottom of the headphones, you've got your micro B charging port here. You've got plus and minus and a multi-function button there. You've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, and you have this large plain black button here. This is for Google Assistant, so you can use this to answer calls, play music, receive text and all that. So there's a button around here. This appears to be for power. Just turn that to the side, and you can see it's actually turning on there. It's got a little bit of a charge. It's kind of flashing. You know, some people might complain there isn't like a big manual in here, but I quite like the minimalist approach that they've taken with this. You get the headphones, you get the charging cable, you get the 3.5mm cable for connecting if you want to do it wired. But that's really it. That and a really, really fantastic little case. Looks gorgeous. So this has been the QuietComfort 35 2 version 2.
This is what you get if you buy them outright, but if you've ordered them with, getting them sent with the Huawei P20, P20 Pro, you'll get this wraparound box around it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and perhaps in the future I'll do a video talking about what I like and what I don't like about these. Until next time, guys, take care.